The JBL Professional 305P MkII is a powerhouse studio monitor that delivers top-tier sound at a surprisingly accessible price point. For just $129 per speaker, you're getting audio clarity that rivals monitors costing much more. Designed for serious audio work, this monitor stands out with its big, clean sound and professional-grade build. It's especially well-suited for music producers, audio editors, and anyone looking to get more accurate sound out of their desktop setup without diving into high-end price tags. What sets the 305P MkII apart is how it brings out the detail in your mixes. Whether you're working on podcasts, music tracks, or video audio, the sound is crisp and full with impressive depth and balance. JBL includes bass and treble tuning switches on the back, letting you customize the sound based on your room or setup, which is a major plus for people working in non-treated environments. It's clear this speaker is made with professionals in mind, offering a level of precision and control that's hard to find at this price. However, it's not without trade-offs. At over 11 inches tall, the 305P MkII can be bulky for smaller desks. It also lacks modern conveniences like Bluetooth, a front panel volume knob, or a headphone jack, which may be a deal breaker for more casual users. Connection-wise, it uses quarter-inch TRS and XLR inputs, so you'll likely need adapters if you're hooking it up to a standard computer or consumer-grade audio interface. Still, if sound quality is your top priority and you're okay with a slightly more involved setup, the JBL Professional 305P MkII delivers incredible performance for the money. It's one of the best-sounding monitors in its class and a smart investment for anyone looking to step up their audio production game.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.